This right here, this is the Little Flea, Mumbai, one of the biggest flea markets in the country. And yes, we actually set up a stall here. I'll give you a little bit of context. We launched our merch brand Lore back in September 2025. So we are still pretty new at this, still figuring things out, still building. And Little Flea felt like a big swing for a brand our size. Because signing up for something like this isn't just about showing up with your products and looking pretty. There's packing, prepping, planning, and second guessing every decision you've made. And oh, the spending, so much spending. So, if you're a small brand thinking about doing your first big market, stick around because we are breaking down every single rupee we spent. And if you're just here for the numbers and want the full damage report, skip ahead to the 16-minute mark. That's where we lay it all out. Every cost, every receipt, the final tally, no sugarcoating. So, unlike last time, you're not going to feel like something traumatic is going to happen to me. Best parking, 1 minute walk.
So we've landed and we've taken our luggage. We're going to the Uber XL line where we'll get our cab.
Yeah, this is the third level that now we are navigating, trying to figure out where our cab is.
We have 53% humidity in Mumbai.
I'm
All of the
venting.
53% you can kind of see on her
I can
face.
show you. It will
Disgusting.
drop. See?
Thank you. We're in the cab now.
No, but what do we say when we sit in a cab in Mumbai?
मस्त कर रही है भैया एकदम मस्त
I'm not saying that. Both of us had good sleep.
Not good sleep.
I had great sleep. Polmi had okay sleep. We have our couriered stuff. That's like inventory. This is journals. That is the box for our coasters and fridge magnets. And we have a little problem with this. ये box फटा हुआ है. Oh, by the way, this is the new trolley we've ordered. Looks good. It's okay. This is what we're counting on tomorrow. We'll fill this with ice and we'll have a shit ton of water in here.
Shit ton of water.
I forgot to tell you guys, all of this porter, it costed us around 500.
We also had to pay the watchman downstairs $50 to help us carry all of these things. Yeah.
So 50 bucks. That's kind of cheap.
Yeah, he said कि दे देना 50 रुपए. I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
okay.
that's kind.
तो वो मेरे साथ में लेकर आ गया फिर सब.
Because these boxes are no joke.
Yeah, yeah.
They're easily like 25
I think
kgs
he
up.
committed to it before checking the weight of the boxes, and then
Nice, you got him. It's around 8:30 right now. We'll go now to Little Flea, and then we'll set everything up for tomorrow. We'll have a little bit of dinner, hopefully, and then we'll be back. So that's the whole idea.
तुमको
Beautiful.
you will need one of these
Where do I get it
later.
from?
वो बाहर से मिल जाएगा.
ठीक है,
But
ये
since
मुझे
you've
दे दो.
entered anyway, I think it's
I'm an
fine.
exception. Chalo. So they've given us pagoda stands. So
Oh, they're nice. Yeah, we will also be
yeah,
able to
I
like put
mean,
up everything
I don't
that
know if
she's
we're at the
saying.
right place, but we're sharing like a table.
Yeah. Okay. This is what our stall looks like.
So
Anji.
as soon as we arrived here, these guys have a porter system which helps like vendors carry all
I
of
am
their.
fairly sure we got a little conned though, but it was fairly fast, so it's all right. I am not too mopey about it. But they said that the porter system is going to cost us rupees 100 per round. These guys charged us 300 per round. like they just got all our things in one go.
I was just
And
telling her that we could have done this without
we could
paying
have also done this, but I
anything.
didn't also want to take the risk because he's been doing a lot of like lifting up stuff, and we need to both stay physically safe for
That's
the
true,
next
that's
3
true,
days.
that's true.
So, which is why he's going to take out weapons.
Not really.
ये सब तो अभी निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, यदि हमको कटर देंगे तब तो
तो ये सीधा दिख रहा है, नहीं दिख रहा है?
नहीं दिख रहा है।
ये नहीं important. He's locking the suitcase with masking tape.
It is 11:44.
And we are all officially done. Which is the
Yes,
first part of the setup. I think the hardest part is over.
everything that they said would be provided was provided. Cart pe.
We're going to soda bottle opener now. And
Yes, this was the closest place that we could find,
Yeah.
and I am ravenously hungry now.
let's go. With me, Special M.
Why are you special, M?
Because I'm special. Anyway, this is a neck fan apparently.
Yeah.
You wear it on your neck and it fans you.
When your brain becomes very hot, then this is supposed to directly cool you from under your brain. They also want us to charajar it. Chareje minimum for 2 hours before use. Thank you.
But the question is, will it work right now without Chereje or not? Okay, which is the upside, which is the downside? Got it. Yeah, it's nice. Say it.
Nice.
I feel real breezy.
Ooh.
लेकिन आपके बाल वाल फंस तो नहीं जाएंगे?
My hair will fly like a heroine. I'm gonna use my beauty tomorrow to attract customers.
Very
मुंह
nice.
पे तो अच्छी हवा आ रही है.
Rated out of 10.
7,
7.
I think. Mainly because it seems like a misogynistic product, but why is this city so hot? It is really so hot. Like for 5 minutes, I go out and I start melting. So I'm just bracing myself, like last few minutes in the AC before we go out there in the sun and start the rest of our setup.
I woke up at somewhere around 11:30.
I woke up at 10:30.
She had already gotten breakfast.
Breakfast total was somewhere around 350.
Okay. We also got a tripal and a few clips and stuff. Uska I am guessing somewhere around 500 ka kharcha hua hoga.
And now we have just booked an auto to go.
Yeah, which is for around 50 rupees. So
Yes.
we'll see you guys over there.
We are finally at our stall. I am so glad that we did most of the setup yesterday because today it is chaos max out there. People are literally crying because they need to bring their stuff in, and then there is a massive traffic jam on the road. Now we are going to start our setup. So we have about an hour-ish to do our setup, but I think we'll be able to do it. The setup now is not very difficult, and hopefully we'll see you back again in an hour.
Time it's 5:43. We came here today at 1 o'clock. It was 4 hours to set up.
Priya was, I think, the fourth person to join our team back in 2023. All of our beautiful graphics that you see, the posters and all the things that you see on our page basically, most of them have been done by Priya. So Priya lives in Mumbai and she works with us remotely. You have seen her in another video before this. If you haven't seen that video again. So Priya helped us out there also. So in any Mumbai event, Priya comes to help us out and that's why she's here. Yes. So we ordered food from McDonald's. The total cost came around 800.
We have another cost. All of our mics, magnets told me is lost.
It fell off.
We're looking at somewhere around 238. We're looking at.
That we are not counting in this trip.
Hello, Priya. What time is it right now?
7:26.
We're a bit of a rush. Polumi is still attending a customer right now.
Oh, you are back, I see. It was a slower day today, but there was pretty good footfall. People were interested, and we got to have some really good conversations. And we also met some really nice people, and that is always worth it. Tomorrow is going to be a heavy day, is what everybody is saying. We are hopeful. My fingers are crossed. Let's hope that tomorrow we do like bumper sales. Now we are going to start our wrap up. So we are just going to wrap everything in plastic and leave it like this.
Yeah, where Leslie told you what?
That my straps are showing.
You know I'm working. You know I'm.
You want this back?
Yes.
Incense and prints, product, joy, magic and muscle. That McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Circle smallest pinky rings. My people play their position, puzzle pieces.
A customer just gave these to me because she was wearing them and I asked for them. I love people like that.
Complete the vision, yeah. We've been working like the energizer vibe non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the
Hello. The time is 9:52 p.m. Today has been a very intense day. We have been selling a lot. One good thing that happened was that the stall next to us, those people didn't show up today for some reason. So what we did was we extended a little bit to their side and put out our original pieces and some of our journals there.
We've been doing good. We've just ordered food for 722 rupees. What else? That's all, I guess.
drum line now. We've been working, We've been working, Yeah, we've been working, Yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the
जो कहता है वही होता है. हाँ, रश्मीत कौर आई थी यहाँ पे, चली गई वहां से. मैं उसका गाना सुनी पूरा शाम, फिर वो यहाँ आई, यहाँ से चली गई. सब लोग फोटो भी खिंचाए उसके साथ में. बट रश्मीत कौर के सिक्योरिटी के 2 लोगों ने हमें फॉलो किया है और उन्होंने हमारा आर्ट अप्रिशिएट भी किया है. तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल राइट. I would never think that two very middle-aged men built like that would come here and would like show me a Korean art. It was very cute. So yeah, but it's what time is it? It's 11:44 p.m. मुंबई के हिसाब से थोड़ा जल्दी क्राउड खत्म हो गया. Today was a much better day than yesterday, but tomorrow our neighbors are gonna come back, so we won't have the space for all the.
hope they'll find another space.
Let's see. Let's hope so.
sorrows to the stars. Took our fears out to the forest, and we left them all to ride. Dragged them to the desert, let the vultures pick them dry. Sent our secrets to the sky, sent our secrets to the sky. Last night I went to build up a rocket ship, took a trip through the stars, sent my secrets to Mars. Pulled up right off the Milky Way, then I put it in bar. Told my son I'ma see him as soon as Jupiter rise. See, we too fly for the function, so we kick it in the cosmos. Too high for the humble, hit the hit till the high slow. Highs on the prize like race horses and blinders. Yeah, yeah, we got no fear. Yeah, Miss Missy, Erica, incense and prints, product of joy, magic and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working.
Hello. It's 6:20. The footfall here is building up. We are entertaining a lot of queries. A lot of people are coming, talking, asking, but more lookers than buyers. We'll update you.
Smallest pinky ring.
I'm very sorry if all of you keep seeing me fidgeting around at places like these. I'm very, very sensitive to mosquitoes and very nice. Very nice. So I keep fidgeting around because there are a lot of mosquitoes and I'm very sensitive to them and they've just made my life hell. So yeah, I'm sorry. But yeah.
No one asked.
Yeah,
Anyway, so
it's 9:28 p.m. Priya has just left and we are feeling very sad about it because it was so nice to have her here for the last 3 days. It just passed in a blink, and especially last night, it felt very warm and very wholesome having her here and meeting her and spending all of this time with her. I have sold so aggressively today. I've gotten us 25 followers for Instagram like in 1 hour. Hi. I actually started with watercolors and then moved into acrylics later. So a lot of these pieces that you see, these are my original watercolor pieces, which we got made into different objects because I'm scared of putting those pieces out like that.
oh my god. I don't like being in the frame.
He loves being in the frame. Sara Natak hai, all performance. This is a wrap finally. We are done. We are wrapping up. It's going to take us 1 more hour to do all
wrap
of
for
this.
day.
Great
Mumbai.
first experience. I think we will definitely do it again. Mumbai people were
You're
very,
nice.
very nice. Very nice.
nice.
We loved meeting you, talking to all of you. We will be back again. Until then,
Bye bye.
so, the total that we spent at Little Flea was 96,350. We made somewhere around 74,441 in sales. That means that we are about 22,000 short. But was it worth it? Yes, 100% yes. Why is it worth it, you ask? For an e-commerce brand like ours, a lot of the work that we do happens online, which means we never really get to interact with customers unless we do it at pop-ups like this. When people look up something and then they relate to it, those are the moments that make us who we are, and those are the moments that genuinely make us feel so happy about doing what we are doing. It also lets us test our products in a lot of real life scenarios, like shipping them across the country, understanding what damages look like, understanding the endurance of these products, understanding how well suited they are to certain conditions so that we can develop them into products that are meant to last. Lore was found with the sole idea of sharing stories. Pop-ups like these give us so much in terms of getting to know all the stories that come our way. Talking about people they love, their friends, their pets, and the stories that they carry within themselves, which they get to see in the pieces that we create. That is truly satisfying. So, bottom line, if only monetary profit is your intention, it might not be very profitable for you. For an outstation brand like ours, it was difficult for us to match monetary profit in that way because our overhead costs were a lot. But in terms of experience, the data that you get, information and knowledge that will help you shape and create a brand that is built to last and that is built to grow, these kind of events are a must do. That's my 2 piece of advice. You do you. I hope you liked what we made here. A lot of love goes into making these videos, so I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. That's it. Bye.